Couscous peppers. You will need 1 packet of couscous, 1 red pepper, cheese for topping and 1 stock cube. Always wash your hands and clean surfaces before cooking. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade. Pour 150 ml of boiling water into a jug. Crumble the stock cube into the water. Stir until dissolved. Pour the couscous into a bowl. Pour over the stock and stir well. Leave aside to absorb the stock. Half the pepper lengthways and scoop out the seeds. Place the pepper in an oven-proof dish. Fluff the couscous with a fork. Spoon the couscous into the pepper. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes. Once cooked, sprinkle grated cheese on top. Place back in the oven for 10 minutes or until the cheese is golden. Once cooked, serve with salad and enjoy.